the tip for you. Here is the first tip. Let's see how to set the default font. For this, press the arrow in the font box or press Ctrl D. Choose the font which you want. Also select the font style which you want and also the size below. You will find an option set as default. Click on that. Now you will find two different options. If you want only this document to have the particular font, you have to select, then click on this document only, and if you want all the documents to remain in the same font, then choose the option all documents based on the normal template. Option OK. Let's go to the second tip. In this tip, we will see how to convert text into table. Let's take an example. Type serial number, use comma, star or tab. I am using star, name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3 and take random names and marks. Now select go to the insert option, click the arrow in the table option and press the option convert text to table. Now below you will find four options. If you have used comma in the text, give the option comma. If you use tab, then give tab option. Since I have used star here, then go to the other option and type the symbol which you have used and give OK. And now if you want convert the table to text, then go to the layout option and in right hand side you will find the option convert to text. Click on that and give the other option, give the star symbol. OK. Let's go to the last step. Here we will see how to convert Word document to PDF. For this, choose any file which you want to convert to PDF. Go to the file option and then save option. Here give any name which you want. Which you want to save, and in this option save as type, choose PDF and save. Your document will be saved as PDF. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video.